You know, sometimes truth is stranger than fiction, and I must tell you a story. It was 80 years ago during the Deep Depression. I was, I was about 7 years old, just before my 8th birthday, and we had nothing in the house. It was really deep depression. Our diet was rice and milk or bread and milk, and it was Christmas Eve. We had nothing, absolutely nothing in the house. And then all of a sudden, 6 o'clock in the evening, there's a knock on the door, and they've come to deliver a piano. We said, sorry, you got the wrong house. Well, this is for 62 Kimberley Road. Well, that's the right address, but it's certainly not the right house. He says, for Mr. McMahon. So we said, yes, and it's been paid for. So in comes a piano. Now, we don't even have anything for Christmas, but now we've got a piano. So anyhow, it gets delivered. A couple of hours later, my dad arrives home, and he's got parcels of food and everything. He'd been to the races and won an enormous amount of money. Now, 1934 Christmas, it must have been £1,000 he won, which I think could have bought houses. And we were all given money to go and buy, and something we'd never had in our lives. It was unbelievable. So it was a real Christmas. It was exciting, it was unbelievable, and who knows, that I still have clear memories of 80 years ago. It's an amazing story, and I wonder how many people are going to have such an exciting Christmas this year.